What up, lads? Let's make cream cheese from cashew nuts. For this recipe, we're gonna need raw cashew nuts. We're going to need any nut milk, almond milk, oat milk, whatever nut milk you prefer, black pepper, some dry onions, salt, nutritional yeast, and 1 fresh lemon. We're gonna start off by adding water. So boiling water, we're gonna add to the cashew nuts. So we're gonna add boiling water in here and we're gonna sit for 20 minutes, okay? Now we wait. So it's been 20 minutes, guys. I'm gonna drain all this water. So no water in here. What we're gonna transfer it to the blender. Then we're gonna add a pinch of the onions and some we're gonna keep for garnish. A bit of onion, black pepper to taste. Salt. Nutritional yeast, the nut milk, and for the last, fresh lemon. Now we're just gonna close it and blend it, easy like that. It's easy like that, lads. It's really creamy now. It is still hot, so that's why it's so soft. So what I like doing, I get a plastic container, transfer it to a plastic container. And like that, guys, just put the lid on. I have the lid here. Keep in the fridge overnight. It's gonna be really hard the next day. Really like a cream cheese, and then you can use this as a spreadable into your bread or whatever, crackers, anything you like it. Easy peasy. Perfect. So guys, this is our cream after 1 day in the fridge. So just check it out how consistency changes, all right? See? Look at this, beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down in the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook.
and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy cooking.